I'm gonna submit this. He's probably gonna go first. I'm gonna be on the draw. Still kind of fine with that. Opening up my shoes finally. Oh, look at these babies. Shoes, they open. Oh, it's hot. Every time that he takes forever, I'm just gonna be like question mark. I think he realizes that he can actually play stuff or make decisions. Oh. Some sexy shoes right here. Would I like to mulligan this? Yes, I would. Yes, I would. No, I would not. It's like my first hand, but better. Even though I have less cards. Really don't want to just see him draw perfectly while I draw lands. He'd be like, sis bear. Oh, okay. That's fine. He's gonna attack. I'm gonna actually just block this because I just don't want him to have that card in general. I don't really need to ramp into anything right now. Now I kind of wish I would have kept it, but I don't need to really remove that as much. It is just a beater. Yeah, he's gonna run that guy out. Let's get something better now. No, he's probably not gonna even swing. Which means I can play that and then start beating him. Hopefully, if I stop dark lands. Ugh. Oh, just regenerate all this stuff. I probably should have attacked. Yeah. I should have attacked. I forgot that you can regenerate it. That's gonna haunt me, probably. Come on, baby. Oh. Land. Should, yeah, I'm fine with that. I mean, yeah. He's not gonna block. He doesn't do that because he can regenerate it. He can just infinitely block it now, and he can also sacrifice it for 2 cards. Oh, that's so good for me. Aiming for 7. Now he can't actually sacrifice his replica, or he just hopes to draw a flying creature. And does he have a flyer? Does he have a flyer? Does he have a flyer? He actually needs 2 creatures, really. Hey, there's 2 creatures, but does he have the... Okay. Okay. I should have removed it. Thank you for watching. Hopefully I'll get more videos up. Subscribe if you would like to. You guys should also go to ccgobsession.com. Get cheap prices on cards. Really good people. Thank you. This was Josh Lind. Watch more of my videos.